Allah for blessing me with such a great opportunity to study from our most prestigious professor, Dr. Mohamud Gedi. He's been a great mentor and a kind teacher. Really, my words can't describe him. He's made implantology much easier with live surgical cases and hand-on sessions. At the end of 1 year experience, I can say Sir have taught me not only to be a good implantologist, but a great human being and a multitasker too. Everyone at MQI have treated me with lots of love and care, just like a family. I will really miss this place, especially the early morning recitations, the tea breaks, the namaz breaks, and all the delicious Pakistani food. I would like to thank everyone, including my professor, Dr. Mohamud